Hey hippies, welcome back. It's Courtney Shavante here. I'm back with another banging resin tutorial for you guys. And this one's super special because I'll be making a dog tag for my new puppy Osiris, who you guys will be meeting at the end. But before I let you meet him, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do this. So I started by mixing up a little bit of resin. I'm just going to add some resin into the base. It took maybe 5 milliliters to cover the base of both of these, and that may be a little bit more than what you actually end up needing. So just make sure it's nice and even, and then grab your holographic inserts and you want to place those foils face down into the resin, so that way the holographic side is the side that you see with the name. After you have them placed where you want, you're going to let that cure. After that first layer cures, your next step is going to be mixing up about 10 more milliliters of resin, and then you just want to scoop a little bit of mica powder into that resin and begin stirring. You want to knock out as many lumps as possible, and remember to never add more than 10% pigment to the amount of resin that you have. I'm also adding in some red alcohol ink, so that way I can just kind of manipulate to the hue of this red color and really get it into this dark red color, because that's what I really want for the dog tag. Now I'm going to be doing these two different ways. In the first one, I'm going to be dropping some alcohol ink directly into the mold. I started with a drop of the black alcohol ink and I moved that around a bit, and then I took in this gold metallic alcohol ink, and then I'm just going to shake that up and place a few drops in there as well, and just kind of swirl it around using that same toothpick. And then I'm pouring that resin in using a little popsicle stick, the same stir stick, and just kind of dropping that in there, moving the alcohol ink around as well. And I'm going to pour that to completely fill it. Once I complete that first one, I'm going to add a little bit more of the alcohol ink in that red color and also in the black directly into the resin mixture, and I'm going to stir that up so it's mixed in very well, and just getting it really dark, like a deep red. And then I'm going to pour that metallic alcohol ink directly into there and just swirl it around a bit, and then pour it directly into the mold. Move the toothpick around into the resin to kind of get around where the little loop is, and then completely pour that to fill. Once everything's completely filled, you want to let this cure. Your resin should be completely cured after about 24 hours, and you're just going to wiggle this from the mold, and they should pop out rather easy since they're small with a flat surface. Once that's complete, you can go ahead and add on your hardware using pliers. I'm using jump rings, a key ring, and also like this little clip ring, and the clip ring is what I'm going to be using to attach to his actual collar, and that's the first one I'm using here. I decided to actually go with the darker colored one, so the one that I made second is the one that I chose for him, just because I thought it matched his fur the absolute best. So this one, the first one, I'll probably end up turning into a keychain just to kind of wear to remind me of him while I'm out and about. But I think they're really cute. I love the different techniques that I use using the metallic. This is the collar that I'm using from Bronze Dog. I got it from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it below. It is genuine leather. But this is my baby right here. So hippies, please meet Osiris. He is a black cocker spaniel, and he has been such a blessing. I am so in love with my little baby here, and the breeder said that he was like one of the calm ones, but I don't know if he was putting on a show for her, but he has been anything but calm since bringing him home. But what I can say is potty training is going very well, and he has been so like absolutely amazing. My son is in love with him, and it's really been helping a lot with his responsibility and everything. He's really good about taking him out, and he's been begging for a dog for forever. And if you don't know, he did just turn 13 recently, and I turned 32 this October. So I thought that this would just be an amazing way to celebrate our birthdays and everything. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to meet him and see this dog tag tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to leave me some thumbs up and some comments below. And until next time, hippies, XO. Mwah.
Hey, cutie. Osiris.